If Figma is giving you a PDF export error, or your export keeps failing, missing elements, or showing weird page size issues, this video will walk you through the most reliable fixes step by step. And if this helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. First, let's talk about the most common cause, memory limits. If you're exporting a large file in the browser, Figma can run into tab memory limits, which can cap out near 2 GB. When that happens, the export may freeze, fail, or only partially complete. The easiest fix is to switch from the browser to the Figma desktop app. The desktop app usually handles larger exports more smoothly because it has better access to system resources. If you still run into problems, try exporting your design in smaller chunks instead of one huge PDF. For example, split your frames into separate sections and export them one at a time. This reduces the load and makes the process much more stable. Next, if your PDF is exporting but certain elements are missing or disappearing, the issue is often caused by tricky layers, complex masks, or background images that Figma doesn't always render properly in PDF format. A simple workaround is to apply a tiny 0.01 layer blur to the bugged background image. Yes, just a very small blur can force Figma to render that layer more consistently during export. Another fix is to flatten complex vector groups or mask hierarchies before exporting. If you have many nested vectors, masks, or effects stacked together, simplify them as much as possible. Flattening those elements can help Figma avoid export glitches and make sure everything appears correctly in the final PDF. Now let's cover Adobe Acrobat page size errors. Sometimes Figma exports the PDF, but when you open it in Acrobat, you get a message saying the dimensions are out of range or the page size is invalid. If that happens, don't panic. One easy solution is to open the PDF in a native system preview app first, such as Preview on Mac or a built-in PDF viewer on Windows. In some cases, simply opening and resaving the file from a native viewer can normalize the page dimensions. Another option is to reprint or resave the document as a flattened PDF. That can strip out the problematic formatting and convert it into a cleaner, more compatible file for Acrobat. If none of those fixes work, there's one more very reliable alternative export method. Instead of exporting directly to PDF from Figma, export your frames as high-resolution PNG files first. Then combine those PNGs into a single PDF using a PDF tool or printer workflow. This image-based workaround is especially useful when Figma's direct PDF export keeps failing or when your document contains elements that don't translate well into PDF format. It gives you more control and often produces a cleaner final result. So to recap, if your Figma PDF export is failing, first check for browser memory limits and switch to the desktop app or export in smaller chunks. If elements are missing, try the tiny 0.01 blur trick or flatten complex vectors and masks. If Acrobat complains about page size, open it in a native viewer or resave it as a flattened PDF. And if all else fails, export to PNG first and build the PDF from those images instead. I hope this helped you fix your Figma PDF export error. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Figma troubleshooting tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.